Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Um, so today we finna do cooking with Lynn segment, and we finna make our own homemade spinach dip, like the one from BJ's. Hopefully it tastes like the one from BJ's, cause that shit bomb, and that's what we want. I look like a little 12-year-old boy right now. That's okay. It's quarantine, we ain't trying to look cute for nobody. But yeah. If you want to know how to make spinach dip, keep watching. This is my first time making it ever. So, we just gonna go with it. Roll with the punches. Hopefully it come out good. You trying it?
Yeah.
You gonna try it? While y'all sitting here watching me do what I do. Let's get into it.
I like to say, good luck on not getting the coronavirus.
Okay. Word from O'Shea. Good luck on not getting the coronavirus. Everybody stay safe. Yeah. Let's get to cooking. Stay indoors. Make your own food. Okay, so here we have all the ingredients for the spinach dip. I'll list them down below in the little comment section, so you guys don't have to be pausing it. All this is basic stuff. You can pretty much get this at any grocery store. Okay, so the first thing you see here is me trying to peel the garlic or whatever. I just did 2 garlic cloves. So I'm just breaking it down. Boom, boom, boom. So I could cut it up. Peeling it. And then I'm going to cut it up and mince it into really small pieces. Because you just don't... Nobody wants big chunks of garlic in their food. Me personally, I don't really like that. I like garlic. Garlic make food just taste so much better. But I don't really want them big ass chunks of garlic in my food. So you're going to chop it up real fine, okay? Now here you see me pouring in the olive oil into the pan. Getting it ready to drop the garlic in there. You could use any oil, but I suggest olive oil. It's healthier, I believe. I'll also use some pre-minced garlic that comes in a little jar, like I showed you in the ingredients. I just use a little bit of that because I think it takes 3 garlic cloves, but I only cut up 2 and I use some of that. I don't know why. I feel like it's 2 different things because one's like wet in water all damn day, and then the other one's just straight up dry garlic, So yeah, I was burning the garlic because I had forgot to wash the spinach off. And the fire was too high, so the garlic started burning. So I had to go wash the spinach off. And yeah. So now you're going to see me pour all the spinach into the pan. It really looks like a lot, but if you cook spinach, you know that once you cook it, it shrinks down. So it's going to look like a real pinch of spinach when I just put a whole bag up in there. And then I just add a little bit more garlic. I don't know. When your ancestors be talking to you, they just be telling you, what to do. Add a little bit more of this, a little sprinkle of that. So your food tastes good. And then, so you're just going to cook the spinach all the way down. So once the spinach is done cooking all the way down, as you see, draining it of all the water, then you're going to set it to the side and let it cool off. All right, so we back. After you let it cool off, you're just going to cut it up. It doesn't matter how small you cut it, but just chop it up real nicely so you can put it in the mixture. All right, I'm sure somebody already peeped the fact that I'm missing my index fingernail. I took it off the other day because I did my own acrylics last week, and like 2 of them are already lifting, so I had to take that John off. Yeah, first time for everything. I'm gonna get better at it, so don't come for me and my nails. All right, I don't really know why I added this little bit of juice in there like it was gonna do something. It was literally like a drop. But now you see me about to add the rest of the ingredients. First, we're gonna do the sour cream. Look how that sour cream just spilled all over my arm. It made me so uncomfortable. Like it was all watery and stuff. But yeah. And when you do stuff like this, like y'all gonna see me, I'm scraping it. I'm use every ounce of whatever I had. I use every bit of it. I scrape stuff. We don't waste food over here. I don't waste ingredients because this costs money, okay? Watch me scrape this Philadelphia cream cheese though. That shit was funny. I don't know why I was laughing so hard watching me do this. Maybe said get every single, look at that, every corner, every crevice. All right, so now you see me adding the Parmesan cheese in the mix. There I go scraping again. What I say, every crevice. Now you're just gonna mix it up. Just mix it. The cream cheese is gonna be kind of stiff, so you gotta pound it. But you want it kind of chunky. From the video that I watched, I think you want it to be kind of chunky. You don't want it to be like super smooth. So yeah, just kind of mix it up. Make sure everything's blended together well. Yeah, so I don't really know why I put it to the camera thinking y'all could smell it, but it was just smelling so good. Next, we're going to add the salt and the black pepper to the mix, give it the flavor. Just do a little at a time, you don't want to overdo it. Yeah, you don't want to put too much salt in anything because then you're just going to have high blood pressure. So I ended up tasting it to see, if I put enough. I didn't, so I added some more. And then I added too much salt and it was salty. So there's that. Make sure you taste your food. Yeah, that's probably like one of my other important tips. Like when you cooking is to taste your food. Like, cause why would you give somebody some food that you don't even know what it tastes like? Like that's crazy. You don't even know if it's good or not. You just giving it to people. Like, okay. And then secondly, clean as you go. It makes cleaning up in the long run so much easier. My mama always tell me that. And then so here is when I tasted it and found out it was too salty. So I just added some more sour cream to take away the saltiness of the dip. All right, so you see me mixing it up some more. Don't mix it too rough because like I said, you still want it chunky. And that cast iron skillet was way too big, so as you can see, I went and got the smaller one. I didn't even know we had that, but I found it. So we're gonna put that into the pan. I think the video that I saw, they made it in the cast iron skillet, like in the oven. I don't know if it does like something different or it cooks it better. I'm not sure. You could probably use a regular pan, but I say a cast iron skillet would be best. Like I just told my granny, I don't know how to cook. I just follow directions, So you want to put it into the pan. Make sure you spread it all around the pan, spread it out. It looks like a lot, but it's really not a lot in the pan because it's not, it didn't really fill it to the top as you can see.
That bowl.
So there we go, scraping again. I really like the way I set that pan up. It looked like I'm really out here chefing it up, y'all. So now we're gonna add the mozzarella.
Ooh, sprinkle like water. You want it? I got it.
Okay, y'all gonna have to forgive me and my little corny jokes because I definitely, if you know those E40 songs, you know what I'm talking about, but I'm just slow. So I mean, it just looks like it's a bunch of cheese on it right now, but we're gonna put it in the oven for, I don't know,
90 minutes?
No, like 10 minutes. Okay, so now we're ready to cook it, and I forgot to preheat the oven, so I put it on 25 minutes. So the first 5 minutes, I just let it preheat, and then the first 15, put it in the oven, and then the last 5, I turned it on broil so we could brown the top of it. I put it in the fridge while the oven was preheating because I didn't want it to like melt. It was so fucking hot in that kitchen, man. I was sweating. That's why you do not see my face at all in this video, except for the beginning. And then right here there was something burning in the oven. Like I opened the oven and smoke was just everywhere. It was, I don't know what it was, but I'm cleaning it off or whatever. So yeah, Cook it in the oven. It looked nasty right there. It looked like that cheese that was on an episode of Raven that was cooking in that what was that? Was it the vents? That's what it looked like. That shit was funky. I don't know if it was funky or not, but it looked funky. Look, this is after I turned it on broil. You could see it browning right there. Because at first it wasn't really cooking, but once you hit that broil, you see it. Look at that, John. Ooh, it's so pretty. It was so bomb. Now, I know this is so easy to make, but I was real proud of myself because it took my time. It came out so nice. The top is perfectly browned, and it was as good as it looks. I promise you. So try it at home, y'all. It might not be good as mine, but try it. So I'm about to do the taste test right now, on camera for y'all. So I'm just gonna try it right out of here, right off the, you know. Ooh. He might be too hot. Y'all see that? I'm filming on my phone, so it ain't gonna really focus. But do you see that? It's a hit. Yeah, I want to get you eating it. It's hot. Oh, it's hot. Yeah, so as you can see, I had to get everybody to try it. You hear my brother in the background talking about I'm a taste tester too. Like, nigga, okay, calm down. But yeah, I got their approval. It was bomb. Only them two tried, I think. Oh, and on science, but I don't think she liked it. Is that too much for you?
No.
But look at that. Look at beautiful. Oh, it was so good. This man gonna lie and say it wasn't that hot. I knew it was hot.
Shady is good.
You know, little kids, they be trying to, you know, put on the front. You trying to hang. You know, it was hot.
It's hot, bro.
Watch him blowing his side of his mouth.
See, he said
That man funny.
it's good.
Anyways, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
And
You look real raggy right now.
oh yeah.
What'd you say?
Richard like the hair. Oh yeah.
Anyways, like I said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button so you know when I'm posting another video. My mama just made a good point. You probably shouldn't eat a lot of that. Shut up!
I'm sorry.
You probably shouldn't eat a lot of that dip at one setting because you're going to be backed up. It's a lot of cheese. Once you drink some apple juice with it, then you'll be okay. Yeah. Catch y'all on the flip side. Okay, my finger, ooh, broken.
Look, guys.